Let's crochet this cat ear beanie. You can crochet this cat ear beanie in any size once you understand how to measure head circumference. Just take a measuring tape and wrap it around the head. If it's for you, measure your own head, and if it's for a baby or a toddler, take their head measurement carefully. So here we go for the measurement. Yeah, just wrap it like this carefully and take the measurement. Here I have got the measurement of 20 inches. After the measurement of head circumference, we will crochet chain stitches up to 20 inches of length. So here we begin with the slip knot and start chaining. Here we have completed our chain stitches of length 20 inches. So we are going to measure it again. I'll show you. So here we go. Take your chain and the measuring tape together and measure it. See, it's 20 inches. So the next row we will start with the chain 3 and 1 double crochet in each stitch across. It's very easy. Just simple, do 1 double crochet in each stitch across. So here we have reached the end of our row. So here just make a slip stitch in the third chain like this. For the next row, start with the chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in the back loop. This is the very important step of the beanie. So just make 1 double crochet in the back loop of the stitch. In the back loop only, not the front. In the back loop we will make 1 double crochet and repeat this pattern across. This pattern will give you a knit like texture and it looks so pretty. So look, just a 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Keep on adding the rows by repeating the pattern. So here I have crocheted total number of rows 15. The total number of rows depend upon the size of the beanie that you are making. So here I am going to finish this final row. So 1 double crochet in the back loop in each stitch across. So I'm just going to finish it. So I'll see you at the end. Now here comes the very easy and the most interesting part of the project is just simply sew the top of the beanie with a yarn needle and a yarn. It's a very easy and beginner friendly pattern, like anyone can make it. So do give it a try and just tag me on my Facebook and Insta. I would love to see your projects. And also remember to follow and subscribe your Buddy Mary Crochet. So we are just about to complete. Just keep on sewing. Alright, here we did our sewing. So I'll show you more closely. Okay, now we are going to weave their end. It's almost completed actually, just the weaving part I'm showing you. So, and it's also a very important step in if you want to give your project a finished look and a very clean look. So the weaving of your project is very important. Alright, here this is how our beanie looks. Just fold it a little from the bottom, yeah, like this, and here we go. Yes, just put it on the head and adjust it, and look, it's completed. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it's very easy. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye.